Hello friend, welcome back in Excel lessons. My name is Lalit and today I will gonna teach you how to fill data across worksheets. So these are our sheets, let's say in a month wise from Jan to May, right? And now I want to fill the data which I enter here. So this I want to fill in among all these sheets, right? So let's take example. I'm just putting some number over here. I'm using with rand between function. Now press Control Enter and copy and paste these values. Now I'm applying border, making these bold. Let's take back color bright yellow, right? And now let's make it June. And now I want to fill this data among all these seeds. Let's take Jan month, Feb month, and all these seeds, right? So if I manually do it, so I have to first select it and then copy this data. Now click on this visit to my Feb month sheet and now paste it. And in the month of March, the same process. For the month of May, I have to just copy and paste it here. So this will consume my very large amount of time. So how do I reduce this amount of time? By using some Excel beautiful features. So let's take an example here. So in this example, I'm just clicking in this home ribbon, and from home ribbon, you just first of all you just select all the seats, right? Let's take if you want to format or copy the data across all the seat by pressing the shift key from your keyboard. Press shift key, and now yes, now click the mouse arrow key, right? In this way. Now all your seat got selected. Now from this home ribbon, click this fill, and from fill, now click across worksheet. And now this window is appearing in front of us. So from here, if I want to paste all the data, including content, its font size, back color, font color, etc. So I just select this all and press OK. So this will paste all the data with same formatting in this all the seeds, right? In this way. Now press Ctrl Z. Now again click on this, and from this fill, click on this across worksheet. And if you want to fill only the content, except means excluding this formatting part, click on content and click OK. So if you check other seeds, so this will fill the content part only in these other seeds also, right? Let's take, and if you want to fill the formatting part across the seed, click uh, this format, select this formats and click OK, right? Now you will see that only the formatting part got pasted across the seed. So in this way you can do reduce your this manual process time. So this will help you a lot in your workstations, in your workplace. Okay, so friends, hope you will like this video. And if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly do subscribe it and press the bell icon for the so that you will got the notification for my about my new uploads. So thanks for watching it once again, and have a nice day.